Whitton. I'm the Vice President of Business Development at Decision Research Corporation. Decision Research Corporation offers technology solutions for large insurance carriers, Tier 1, Tier 2, as well as startups and MGAs in processing, new business acquisition, decision making, and automated underwriting. So DRC has been providing technology solutions for the insurance industry for several decades now, specifically around processing new business acquisition through distribution channels, new business portals, shopper, agent, underwriting portals for the back office. We also do the full suite, claims, billing, the full life cycle. But probably our core or flagship product is the RSX rating platform, which is an enterprise-level rating engine and pricing tool. Our target customers are any insurance carrier or underwriter department who are trying to automate their underwriting processes and speed up the time to decision making to get the correct details they need to make good decision making and accurate pricing. Most insurance companies have a large number of Excel-based raters for their specialty programs, and almost all of their actuaries are using Microsoft Excel to do their pricing. We have a neat tool that takes that Excel and creates RESTful web services as an API so that can be called by other parts of the enterprise. It also generates a user interface for portal data entry, and it creates a database layer. The database layer, I think, is really increasingly important today as more and more companies are looking for machine learning and artificial intelligence to be done by their analytics department. If that department doesn't have clean, well-structured data to work with, they really can't answer the questions that business needs. So our product takes those risk assessment tools or pricing tools and creates that structured data set in a clean way that can be exported and then used by the machine learning and analytics people. The technology we use is Microsoft Stack. We've been a Microsoft partner since before the partnership program actually began. We use the C# MVC Stack. SQL Server 2016 is our database layer. But importantly, we're using standard industry tools so that the data sets are available and easily shared with our clients and their partners. We don't keep any kind of proprietary data sets. And also the programming languages we use are industry standard, so it becomes easier for us to expand our staff as needed to bring up customers more quickly. I think we're going to see more and more of our opportunities around automation of underwriting, especially setting up commoditized risks, large risks that have scheduled data that are very difficult to key into systems that will need to be consumed electronically. We're going to see more and more underwriting departments provide specific rules around their lines of business, and they're going to need automation tools to expedite that process. We have those tools. I think machine learning and artificial intelligence are really exciting parts of our industry today. I think there will be no process that won't have some type of decision tree around it in the future for insurance. In order for that to happen, the industry is going to need tools that allow for automation of underwriting guidelines, for APIs, for their pricing, for the rules, for every aspect of risk assessment. Our company provides those and then provides the structured data in a clean data format that's going to be needed for those decision trees, for the artificial intelligence to be useful. I think this is an exciting conference. It's probably the best gathering of insurance professionals in the world right now, so it's a great place to make and maintain connections with other companies, partners, and clients. It does give us a challenge to address each of these technical issues, and it's hard sometimes to determine which of these technologies is going to be useful and persist, but I think this has been a great forum for those discussions. I think DRC is well positioned here at InsurTech because our technology stack is very modern and flexible. We have great engineers with new ideas and modern approaches to programming and to interaction with other systems. But we're also an established company. We have a great history. We've been around the block. We know how to deal with contracts and with vendor management systems and compliance. So many of these large carriers, they want to get involved in InsurTech, but they also don't want to deal with a bunch of newbies that really don't know insurance. They have a neat technology, but maybe they're not mature around contracting or service or production support. So I think DRC is in a unique place where we can offer both the new technology and ideas, but also an established company and structure. This year at InsurTech, we're announcing the DRC Rater product, which allows you to take an Excel-based program where the rating is done in Microsoft Excel and bring that up to the enterprise level. We'll create a rating service for the pricing. We'll create a user interface to do the data entry. And most importantly, we're creating a data persistence layer to store all of those data elements in the risk assessment for use downstream. So the actuarial departments and the product teams can get rid of their Excel raters, or at least bring them into the fold with the rest of the enterprise level software where it's version controlled and protected from any type of intellectual property loss or security.